Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I know I came on here looking all busted, but it's okay because we about to get this together. Today I'm going to be showing you some tips on how to keep your hair healthy. I just recently took my extensions out, so that's why my hair is like a different texture than this. It looks like I got heat damage, but I don't. It's only because my hair was braided up back here and then I had my leave out right here. So I do this routine every 2 weeks, and I just feel like this routine, it took me a long time to find a routine that really helps my hair grow in the way I would like it to, and just a routine that's better for me in general to keep up with. Some people don't even want to grow their hair long, which is okay. So that's why this main video is based on how just to keep it healthy and how to maintain healthy hair throughout the weeks. If y'all want to know how to keep your hair healthy, keep watching.
What you call me?
First things first, I bought this hair mask off of Amazon. I heard about this brand before. I heard about their shampoo and conditioner. In the process of taking off my nails, so don't worry about that. So I heard about their shampoo and conditioner, and I seen they had a hair mask, and I was like, I need a hair mask. So I'm like, why not try it? Eva NYC. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it just say Eva NYC. It has argan oil and plant protein in it. I use it to deep condition my hair every 2 weeks. Hydrates my hair really good. This is probably like my 4th time using it, and it does the job every time. It's not expensive, but this is what it looks like. It's really like soft and silky. Like it feels like a conditioner, but it also feels silky at the same time. I do this routine every 2 weeks. So first thing I'm doing is taking a big comb like this, and you want to section your hair off. If you got a lot of hair, I would recommend sectioning your hair off so it could just be easier to do this process. This hair mask is also made for hydration, and my hair dries out super quickly, especially in the winter. So if you have dry hair or your hair just always need hydration, get this. 10 out of 10. Once you're done sectioning off your hair, you want to take a spray bottle, a towel or something wrapped around you, because it gets messy. Alright, it gets messy. So I'm starting with this side of my hair. I'm starting with the back and working my way to the front. You're going to take a spray bottle and just spray your hair. Make sure you don't have to drown it in a lot of water, but make sure you're spraying it where it's just damped. Like once you wet your hair, it should look like this. This is how damped your hair should be. Make sure it's like at least 80% wet. I'm going to take my hair mask and just put it all throughout my hair. So you could also use this as a leave-in conditioner. So all my curly girls that wear their hair curly, this is for you too. It does to my curls. Hold on, I gotta show y'all. I don't wear my hair curly, by the way, so every time I see like my curls form up when I'm using this product, I'll be so amazed. Look at my curls. So pretty. Like if I wanted to wear my hair curly, I could. I just don't like wearing my hair curly. But yes, curls is popping, okay? Don't forget the scalp. Get the hair mask, rub it between your fingers, and massage it throughout your scalp. So when we go under the dryer, which I'm going to show y'all in a little bit, while we're doing the deep conditioner, everything can just soak into your scalp. Next, I'm taking this Wild Growth oil. I also put oil in my hair too, simply because I don't oil my hair every day. like I used to, especially when I got weave in my hair. I can't oil my scalp every day. This is also the key, girl, to growing your hair. Put some oil in your hair mask. Even though it already has this oil, it has argan oil, but my oil also have peppermint oil, castor oil, coconut oil. And once I'm done, I just twirl it and I put it back the way it was. And then boom. So now I'm going to do that throughout the whole head and I'll be right back. So now that everything's in the hair mask, the oil, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to take one of these plastic caps. You could get them from the beauty supply store, and just put it over your head. And this is where the magic happens. So next step, we're going to go under the hooded dryer and sit under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm about to go under the dryer. This is the hooded dryer I was telling you guys about. I got this from Amazon. It has 3 settings. It has cool, low, and high. And this right here is to adjust the height of it. And then this is the hood. And it has wheels on here, so you can take it anywhere with you. So what I usually set my temperature on is high heat. Most of the time low heat, because I don't need it to be on high heat all the time. But today we're going to do high heat. And then, so now that I'm under the dryer, I'm going to sit under here for about 20 minutes. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys as soon as I'm done. From under the dryer, let's take it off. Okay, now let's take it out. And let's see what it's given. Look at my hair. Curls are curling. Let's take the rest out and see how it's looking. Beautiful. And you see how I had all that product on my hair at first and how it just melted into my hair. Of course you still see some right here, but majority of it melted into my hair. You can tell how like curly my hair is. And then this is the last one. So this is how my hair looks once I took everything out. It looked like I diffused my hair a little bit, but I swear to God I didn't. And y'all, this is where my leave out is at. So you would think it would be probably heat damage, but no. Look, curls still there. I do use heat protector, but I feel like, yes, heat protector helps your hair stay protected, but I don't feel like that's the reason why I don't have damage. Now once it's out, I'm about to wash my hair fully. But if I was to wear my hair curly, this how it would look. I look like I'm literally 10 years old. Like, no. Now that's what I'm talking about. Y'all know that TikTok? They'll be like, Now that's what I'm talking about. Go wash my hair so I can wash all of this out and I'll be back. Every product that I'm using is simply to keep your hair hydrated, especially when you're doing a lot of protective style or just in general. But these are all hydrating products that I use that helps my hair. So I use this clarifying shampoo first, and I use my hydrating shampoo. This is the conditioner I used. Step, y'all, make sure y'all comb your hair while the conditioner is in your hair so it can be an easier process of blow drying your hair. is to blow dry my hair. I ordered this from Amazon, but I also saw that they sell this at Target. This is the blow dryer brush that I use because it's just easier to use while I'm blow drying my hair. And then I use this heat protecting thermal spray. I spray it on my hair first since it's a wet component and my hair is already wet. Yeah, they also sell this at the beauty supply store, or you can order it from Amazon. So let's get the blow drying. So y'all, this is how the hair looks once it's blow dried. This is one side, so let's go in and get this side done. Friends, shrinkage is real. Shrinkage is real. Look at this. Look at this. And then when I turn over, a mess. Alright you guys, so this is my hair after it's fully blow dry. Now it's time to style my hair. Only thing I put in it, the blow dryer, was that heat protecting spray. 2024, y'all need to stand on business and get your hair healthy. I'm just about to style my hair and I'll be back once I'm done. This is the final result. By the way, you guys, these are clip-ins. If you want to know how I did this clip-in hairstyle, make sure y'all stay tuned for my next video that's coming out. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can know when the video comes out. And my hair looks so good. You ain't about to can't tell me nothing. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can know when I upload. Comment below. I love you guys. And yeah, stay gorgeous.